Why can't I do this?
I can hold on. I can select it.
I'm selecting it, but it won't let me.
Pick up Dragon's Wrath. What?
Yeah, I'm clicking it right now. It won't let me.
No, mine says pick up.
Leave raid group and try again.
Oh, there you go.
Oh.
You might have to watch this bullshit again.
Hell yeah.
I got 2 3 up. I got one out of there.
Spearlink, Spearlink.
Bomb soon.
Oh, that.
What's that?
God damn it.
Cauterize. Cauterize.
Dude, I was starting to
Bomb
move.
soon.
Oh, GG's.
Oh, there we go. Nice.
Tape him up.
Heal him.
Heal him. I got you moved right.
I got the heart of flame, so.
He dies.
He fucking
Embers
dies.
go too.
You just reset your guild rep. You'll never be able to open that stupid bank again.